Aha! Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages. Right, in the previous video, which for me was only about like half a minute ago, or a minute, but anyhow, I said I would do it on the video, so I'm doing it now. It's a review of that. And I have never needed a drink as much as I do now, or in a long time. But, anyhow, the previous video was more than 10 minutes long, so it can only go on to YouTube. So, if you're watching this on YouTube, watch the previous video please. Or if you're watching this on TikTok, then go to YouTube and watch my my room after changing part 3, because part 1 was showing you before, part 2 was showing you after, and then part 3 is telling you what I think after the aftermath of the aftermath. Like, now that I've spent 3 nights in it. So, the first night was really weird, second was good, and third was even better, because I've got used to it now. But anyhow, so, Boost sugar-free energy drink, liquid-based beverage. I'm going to drink a beverage. I want my beverage. ITM in the mouth. Where else would you put it? So, sugar-free energy, apple and a raspberry. The big words with, sentence with R's in it. Jonathan Ross, the TV presenter, would have a hard time with saying that. Meh. Nowhere near as good as it sounds. But for 75 pence, what do you expect? Nah. So disappointed. Refresh. Energize. Anyhow, this is what I've really noticed, right, about like my tenure or life as an energy drink consumer, like drinking the liquid-based beverage of the energy drink in questioning when I choose to do so in that moment. And other ones, that are either just less than £1 are not as good as ones over £1, because basically, and in essence, you really pay for what you get. Sometimes if something is maybe just slightly more than you would want to pay, but you really just want to try it, it's better than something that's like 80 pence, 70 pence, 50p. I mean, oh my god, the really cheap ones you can get in pound shops, or Aldi, or Lidl are horrible, and this one is not that good. I've tried loads of Boost ones before, and they're nicer than this one. I've tried a Boost tropical and berry one that's better than this one, but this is apple and raspberry. It's no bad, but it's nothing to write home about. Right, I did say in the previous video I would review that, and that, but that means so much to me, and it was emotional trying it, so it deserves its whole other video in its entirety. So I'm going to make the third video in a row after this video, but I'm not going to make this video that long. Oh god, I'm shattered, man. I've had about maybe 6 hours and 10 minutes sleep, but I'm still really tired, so I'm going to finish this video and then hurry up and do my review of that, and then I'm going to try and maybe catch an hour or something, a kip if you will, or 40 Winks, 40 Harry Winks, footballer, just in case you didn't know that reference. Right, so Eddie Hill, I will say goodbye because I need to have a tiny little bit of rest before I review that to gather my thoughts on what I'm going to say about that, and to just stop talking so I can have a breather and drink more of that, because overall I've been speaking for about 16 minutes if you include the last video. Right, so or 17, because I think this is six and a bit minutes long, and the other one was about maybe 12 and a bit minutes long. Right, so for me it'll only be a minute, but for you it'll be however long. But look out for the video of that. It'll be on TikTok and YouTube. Right, bye of tattiness, you filthy animals.